From parking to trailhead. Malapit na magreklamo yung kasama ko. Hey, go dun sa may car. Huwag ka dyan dumaan, doon ka dumaan sa may trail, dun sa may single line, single way. Yan, nakita mo yung entrance. So, rest tayo dyan. Dito ka dumaan. Okay. We will rest muna before we go inside. Hike trail entrance. Dating green zone. Okay, we rest first. Calrise first hike trail adventure in green zone hike trail Timberland. Trail. So how was it so far?
Okay naman.
Oh, we're going to a berm. Ano ba yan? Wag. Hey, what are you doing? Dapat mo kasi, sabi ko sa'yo, don't hit anything. Ang layo eh. Kaya may bamboo dyan para hindi ka mahulog. Lumapit ka palalo. Oh, be careful on your steps.
Okay.
Pababa. Mag-lean back ka. Huwag ka yumuko.